Buying gifts can get expensive, and sometimes you just don't know what to buy. But DIY gifts? They're thoughtful, affordable, and way more personal. In this video, we'll share 23 of the best DIY gifts. They're practical, fun, and easy to make. Whether you're gifting for family, friends, or even co-workers, these are the things that people will actually want and use. So let's start our countdown with some food-inspired DIYs. 23. Recipe in a jar. Layer the dry ingredients for cookies, brownies, or pancakes in a clear jar. Tie on a ribbon and add a tag with baking instructions. It's practical, looks beautiful, and gives the receiver something fun to do, something fun to bake, especially for those who are not good at baking. 22. Homemade granola jar. If you want something healthier, granola is such a thoughtful idea. You can mix oats, nuts, honey, cinnamon, maybe some coconut flakes or dried fruit. Bake it until golden and crunchy. Then fill the jar with your mix. Add a little handwritten tag that says made with love or even perfect over yogurt. It's simple, but it feels so warm and special, especially for someone who loves breakfast or healthy snacks. 21. Jams or preserves. Homemade jam might sound old-fashioned, but that's exactly why people love it. There's something so charming about getting a jar of strawberry or apple jam you know someone made by hand. You can tie a square of fabric over the lid and add a label with the flavor and date you made it. It feels like a gift from a cozy farmhouse kitchen, and it's something they'll actually eat and enjoy. 20. Cookie jar with cookies. Bake your favorite or the receiver's favorite cookies. Layer them in a jar or a box and add a personal note with the recipe, so they can remake them later. Perfect gift for a sweet tooth. 19. Baked goods gift box. If you know that the person doesn't love cookies, why not put together a small bakery-style box? Banana bread, brownies, muffins. It looks like something straight from a cafe, but it's homemade. You can even decorate the box with little notes or holiday stickers, depending on the season. And maybe even add wine, tea, or coffee in the box. That would go perfectly with these things. 18. Homemade spice mixes. This is for the friend who loves to cook. You can create different kinds of seasonings like taco seasoning, extra spicy seasoning, or barbecue rubs and store them in small jars with custom labels. It's a practical, thoughtful gift they'll actually use in the kitchen, and every time they cook with it, they'll think of you. 17. Cake pops. Bake cake pops, wrap them individually, and package them in a small box. They look cute, taste amazing, and are always a win for someone with a sweet tooth. 16. Favorite sweet gift box. This one's perfect for someone with a sweet tooth. Instead of baking, just gather their absolute favorite treats. Maybe a mix of chocolates, gummy, candy, or nostalgic snacks they loved as a kid. Arrange them neatly in a box, maybe with some tissue papers or confetti, and add a small, cute note. The fact that you remembered their favorites and packaged it in a fun way makes it so much more special than just handing over a bag of candy. 15. Scrapbook. A collection of photos, tickets, and notes. You can add whatever you like in this book. It's one of the most meaningful gifts you can give. It doesn't have to be complicated, and it can be even a small themed scrapbook, like a travel trip together. And that's enough, but it means a lot. 14. Photo puzzle. Pick a fun memory and print it as a puzzle online. You don't even have to do much of the work, but it's such a playful, fun, and personal gift. Every time they put the puzzle together, they'll be reminded of that special memory. 13. Memories in a frame. Choose a handful of photos or little notes of things you've done together. Arrange them in collage style and frame it. It's simple, it's very affordable, sentimental, and fun to do. And every time the person looks at it, it brings back some amazing memories. 12. Memory jar. Fill a jar with handwritten notes, quotes, or small happy memories. Whenever they're having a bad day, they can pull out a note and be reminded of something positive. It's a gift that keeps giving all year round. 11. Quote jar. This is a simple jar filled with motivational quotes, affirmations, or little notes. You can write them by hand or print them out. It's perfect for someone who could use a little daily encouragement, a friend going through a tough time, or even a partner. Every time they pick out a note, they'll think of you. 10. Photo book. If you're not the crafty type, you can make a photo book online and get it printed. It still counts as DIY, but it looks more polished. It's one of those gifts that brings a smile to people's faces because they can look back on their best memories in a way scrolling through a phone photo album never can. 9. Cozy jar gift. This is like gifting someone a moment of peace. Get a large jar and fill it with a mix of cozy things. Mini candle, a few tea bags, a small chocolate bar, and maybe a pair of fuzzy socks. Then write a note that says, pause, relax, sip and recharge. It's inexpensive to put together, but feels really thoughtful. 8. DIY candle holder. If you like to be crafty, create a beautiful candle holder. You can use a mason jar or a small plate and decorate it in any way you would like. You can use lace, frosted glass spray, paint, or crystals to make simple but stylish candle holders. It's affordable and very fun to create. 7. Knitted or crocheted scarf and blanket. If you can knit or crochet, even a simple chunky scarf makes an amazing gift. It takes time, but that's what makes it so meaningful. People treasure handmade items like this because they know it's something you can't just buy in a store. 6. DIY art print. Design a quote or minimalist artwork in Canva. Print it, frame it, and voila, you're done. A chic DIY that feels store-bought. It's super easy, but it looks like wall art you'd buy in a store. 5. Book of favorite recipes. Write down your favorite recipes. Decorate the cards and tie them with ribbon. It's especially meaningful if you include some family recipes or dishes you've cooked together or wanted to create together. 4. Keychain. This is small but always a practical one, and it can be really creative. You can make one out of beads, resin, leather, or even clay. It's something they'll use daily, but it still has a personal touch. 3. Personalized tote bag. Take a plain canvas tote and decorate it with fabric paint, stencils, or iron-on patches. You can make it aesthetic, funny, or even add their initials. It's eco-friendly, practical, and much cooler than a store-bought bag. 2. Bookmark. Perfect for the book lover in your life. You can use cardstock, press flowers between laminate, or paint simple designs. Add a tassel or ribbon for flair. It's simple, but every time they open a book, they'll see your gift. 1. DIY bar in a box. Put together a mini cocktail kit with little liquor bottles, mixers, maybe even a recipe card for a signature cocktail that you know they love. It's playful, creative, and always hit for birthdays or holidays. And that's 23 of the best DIY gift ideas, from food and cozy treats to memory-filled keepsakes and practical everyday gifts. The best thing about these is that they don't just save you money, they show love and thought in a way store-bought gifts never can. Let me know in the comments which one would you love to receive or which one you would love to create. And if you found this list helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative ideas. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!